Okay, we're at the 2019 Forest River Expo, looking at the newly redesigned 39ASL. There's all the Forest River people hard at work. But in here, we got a nice big sectional sofa. Check this out. So you got a sleeper, possibly a footstool. Nice big open trailer. Stools. 5-burner range, convection microwave. Pantry. How cool is that? Nice big fridge with a 10-year warranty, it says. Okay, how many of you people have a fridge that nice at home, much less in your park model, or with the 5-burner range and convection microwave? Another hall closet, perfect. Got a ladder, broom, vacuum cleaner, could prep for washer dryer. This is the brand new 2019 closet. Got one of these on order, just like this. Nice big bathroom. How cool is that? Shower with the low threshold. Nice tall shower. Linoleum throughout. Nice touch. Notice that. Linoleum throughout. Carpet in the loft only. Nicely decorated. Okay, let's go check out the loft. Nice big loft. Got an entertainment center. Okay, looking down and all around. Six-foot vinyl patio door. Room for a nice size fireplace, TV.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening?